Watch my pain.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Holy
Yeah.
fuck.
Dude.
Holy.
You putting your tongue in harm's way.
It is a small sacrifice for what is to come.
Oh shit. Diamond the glove.
This one, when I smelt the bag, it smelled like chocolate spice. Watch my pain.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Holy
Yeah.
fuck.
Dude.
Holy. Holy fuck. Oh!
Oh shit.
Ah! Ah!
How does it feel, dude? Tell us something. Tell us something.
I'm chewing the little pieces. I'm chewing
Chewing
them.
little pieces. Just swallow it, dude. You had enough. Mm. Oh, shit. Oh god. How's it? Okay, if you had to compare it to that gummy bear,
Oh! 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 Way fucking harder than the gummy bear.
way harder than the gummy bear.
Holy
Okay,
fuck.
give us a breakdown about how
Holy
it tastes. How's it taste?
Close your mouth, boy.
Shut the fuck up. It's stuck in my teeth.
Oh, bro.
Ah! Scotland's national animal is the unicorn.
That makes no fucking sense.
Ketchup used to be sold as medicine.
Oh,
Oh! Ah!
oh, oh.
People are most creative when they're taking a shower. Holy fuck.
Quick
Don't
facts.
ask anybody to look like you need to take a shower, man.
Holy
You
shit.
look hot.
Holy shit. Giraffes are more likely to get struck by lightning than humans.
Yeah, that's facts.
You can get something to drink, bro.
No, I got 5
No,
minutes.
you can't.
I still got 3 minutes. Nutmeg is a hallucinogen when consumed in large amounts.
What the fuck is that?
Nutmeg,
Mm-hmm.
the spice. Koala fingerprints are so similar to ours that they could disrupt crime scenes. It's getting hotter, dude. Starting to burn my tongue and my throat.
Dude, it's probably been burning your fucking tongue and throat. Close your mouth, bro.
It's illegal to own your own. It's illegal to own only one guinea pig in Switzerland. You know why?
Because they're social creatures.
They'd be lonely.
Yeah, they'll get depressed.
Did you know rats have the ability to laugh?
No. They have the ability to laugh, but do they have the mental capacity to have humor?
Holy shit!
Yeah, would you say it's still ascending in spiciness?
It's okay.
Or is you plateaued right now?
My tongue is what's on fire.
Yeah, that's where you fucking put the pepper. Imagine being a prisoner and only getting fed peppers like that. That's all. It's the only food you get. That
Oh,
fucking,
That would
fucking
suck.
suck, dude. That would suck ass. So, like you're gonna eat it. Fucking
10 seconds. Carolina Reaper ain't shit. 5 minutes. You guys know I gotta go big. I can't go small. It doesn't work like that. We do it for the views around here. And so, we eat more than one pepper. Episode 4, watch my pain. Skibbity doop bop bibbity boop. This is pepper number 2. Ghost pepper. Skibbity doop bop bibbity skloop sklamp. I'm scared. Why is that higher than the Reaper? Ah! Woo! Ah! Ouch! 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 My mouth's on fire. My throat's on fire. My lips are on fire. I still got 3 minutes. This is painful. Arguably more painful than the Reaper. Make it make sense. If you think you can do this shit, hit me up. I'll get you in on the next episode. If mama ain't raised no bitch, I get you in on the next episode. I'm sorry there's so much breathing in these videos, but I challenge you to eat one of these and speak. It hurts so bad when you speak. Ha 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 ha. Oh. Minute. Minute and 30 seconds. Sorry, that was probably gross. It was necessary. Holy. It's so hot. It's making my mouth salivate a lot. And my eyes. My nose is running. My eyes are watering. My mouth is burning. 30 seconds left. Ghost Pepper, and Carolina Reaper, same fucking video. Oh, the taste of that was traumatizing. That's the timer. Sorry, I know that's gross. And there you have it. Carolina Reaper Challenge. And the arguably, oddly enough, hotter Ghost Pepper. I already did the Ghost Pepper Challenge on another video, but I just did it again, technically. Call back to episode 1, if anybody remembers. Hello, Satan? Fuck you. Well, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give the channel a subscription, hit that bell to get notifications the next time that I upload. And if, you guys want to be in any of these videos, just send me a DM. I'll get you in the Discord and we can get you in the videos. I upload every week, every Monday. So come back and check it out. I'm senseless, obviously. And skibbity-doo-bop, bibbity-boop. Hater Satan.
Yeah, Californicating, had to relocate. Girl, you mighty fine. Know how much I need my pay. All these dollar signs. Know how much I need my pay. Running them bands off, ayy. Going to Japan, I'm on the way. Surf, I'm on the way. Merc, if he in the way.